We are going to do a presentation with two voices, Dr. Truc and me, in order to give some words on the program, but also very quickly on the context and what we are doing today here. So, as a first part, I try to summarize some words on the ACP ACTAI project, Agroecological Crop Protection Project. I am the coordinator of this project, and as Philippe said before, the first phase is completely devoted to share information, to be on the same level of information by organizing meetings such as workshops, such as this scientist school, before implementing some partnership, some project, and in a second phase. As Philippe said also in the ACTAI project, ACP represents such like a pillar of agroecology, because ACP, as we will spend about 1 week on agroecological crop protection, so I hope that we will know what ACP is by the end of the week, but ACP is a declension of agroecology to crop protection. So it means it's a pillar, because crop protection is very important in agriculture. It's a pillar of agroecology. In this program, in this project, ACP, we have some actions, and some are devoted to implement some collective works, such as collective review on crop protection in Southeast Asia by submitting a paper in international review, and also by implementing some, for example, some brochures, some flyers, some guides on what is ACP, such as this example, and also we can implement some guides to, for example, to recognize a very important group of pests, which are fruit flies, for example, with nice photos, nice movies, for example. And of course, as Philippe said, we organize some events such as workshops. So we have deliverable for this workshop. They are available if you need them, the minutes of this workshop. For the first one, it was about 1 year ago in Hanoi. Second one in Naypyidaw in Myanmar. And the third one, it was a regional one in Mite last summer. And for this international scientist school, we have we would like to share with scientist people. I mean scientists, of course, researchers, but also students, PhD students, such as we have from Kanto University today. And the organization of this meeting, this school, has been done by Kanto University, CIRAD, and some partners such as INRA, and it has been funded, as Philippe said, by AFD, which is agency, French Agency of Development. This diagram shows the steps of this project. So with the collective review, brochure, flyers already in progress, the workshops, and the International Scientist School this week. So now, Truc, you can talk about a family story.
Yes. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Just 1 month ago in Italy, we have one sister of this workshop. It's organized by INRA and CIRAS. You know, in that is the first summer school, but actually the weather is very cold, just around 0 to 5 degrees. And I didn't understand why they call summer school. And maybe Dr. Jean-Noël will introduce with you more in detail about this. And I just want to say that from that international school, we follow and we will do similar here. So we don't need to move to Italy, but we can get the all the things will be similar of that. And this is the flyer about the workshop in Italy. Also one with the program is similar here, and there are two main things. One is for soil science, and one is for plant protection. And the beautiful thing of this workshop is how they combine the soil science, science with the plant pathologist together. Because before that, if they're the workshop, they only concentrate on plant pathology or plant science, soil science. So now we should sit together and we can make something new.
Okay, now a word on the organization. I would like to stress the organization and the scientific committee of this scientist school as a team. As you see, it's a handball team, and it represents the committee with Professor Levan. It's why this morning I asked a photo of Professor Van. Mrs. Lim, Dr. Chris, who will arrive during the week, Dr. Philippe, myself. That organize this event. So some of them, 5 of them, were common between the Italian scientist school and the international Southeast Asia International Spring School. Okay, I don't forget Dr. Philippe Tixier.
I just want to introduce with you our program for this week. For first day, we will present together, and we will know what is ACB. This is not so new idea, but it's a little bit new, and how to adapt it. It will be presented by Dr. Philippe Calvan, Dr. Deguine, and Dr. Alberto, also Dr. TCA. For the second day, yes. For the second day, we will concentrate more on modeling. And the next day, it will be a wonderful day for all of you, because we will visit field trip, and some experiments in Vietnam have been done between rice and flour, and you also can see the floating market. On the next day, we will concentrate more on biological control and how to apply it in ACB project. On the last day, we will restitution of the workshop on biodiversity, also soil health and modeling project. And after that, if you are a good student, on which you can get the certification, I'm not sure all of you will get it. And then we have to share hands and go back home to continue work.